me, and I am coming with a new topic for we are adding data in text box, and when we are click on add, then it shows it in Datagrid. So take a new project, Windows Form application, giving name as Datagrid. Done. Datagrid 1. Done. Okay. So we are having by default form. We are adding a database for it. So right click on project, add. I having a database, so add existing item, projects, in get data, all files, and DB connectivity is our database. We don't want data set, so cancel this pop-up. We are having database connectivity.mdf. Now what we want, first of all, see three text boxes. So text box 1. Now I'm copying it. This one is text box 2, text box 3. Now we want one data grid, so data grid view, taking it over here, and data grid, done, and one button. This button, put it over here. Text box property check. Resume it. Now this was text box 1. This one is text box 2, and this one is text box 3. Now we want a data grid, so we have to initialize a data table. Data table equal to dt. Now in form we have to instantiate the object, so dt equal to new data table, and in argument table name emp semicolon. Now we want that data columns are shown, so data column is a by default class, so data column dc equal to new data column. First argument is a field name, so name, comma. Second argument is a data type, so system dot type dot get type in bracket double inverted comma system dot string semicolon. Same as for other two fields. First is a primary key field, so we don't need to take as. Second data column object dc1, name department, and data type is same string. Now the third DC2, name salary, and data type is float. So what we have to write is single. Then now you have to add these columns into data table. So dt dot columns is collection of it. So dt dot columns dot add, and add first column dc semicolon. Now dt dot columns dot add dc1 semicolon dt dot columns dot add third column dc2 semicolon. Now what we have to do, we have to take a data source. So datagrid view 1 dot data source equal to data table semicolon. Then now we have to take a click event of button. So now first we are renaming our button. So button properties, where is the property of button? Function F4. Here taking add button. Now add is click event, button 1 click event. Now what we have to do, we have to take object of data row class, because we want row, and add the data one by one. So data row equal to data table dot new row. Okay, semicolon. Now data row of first field ename equal to TextBox1 dot text semicolon. Dr of second field is dpt, take it over, equal to TextBox 2 dot text. Then dr of third field is a salary equal to TextBox 3 dot text semicolon. Now same as column, we have to add all these columns rows into data table. So dt dot having collection rows dot add data row semicolon. Now we have to clear that text box after adding. So TextBox1 dot text equal to clear the text. Now TextBox 2 dot text equal to null. TextBox 3 dot text equal to null semicolon. And when we are clear it, after that the focus of the cursor is at the first text box. So TextBox 1 dot focus. Now done. We are saving our project and run it. So we are adding a data name Ami, department CSE, salary, something like this, and add data is shown over here and focus is over here. Second data is Krishna, department IT, salary, something like this. Add now Priyanshi, department IT, salary, something like this. Add, so the data is shown over here. So what we want to do, that what the particular data we are passing in this text box is, and when click on it, that data was shown in the data grid and updated. So we are exit our video over here. Thank you.